Today our topic is tree. This is part 6. Before learning this video, please consult our previous video, then this topic will be more clear. Today our topic is searching for some specific node in binary search tree. Searching means finding or locating some specific element or node within a data structure. However, searching for some specific node in binary search tree is pretty easy due to the fact that elements in binary search tree are stored in a particular order. So today we will learn how to search a particular element from a binary search tree. What is binary search tree? We already learned in our previous video what is binary search tree. Please consult our previous video. The link is given in the description. Binary search tree is a node-based binary tree data structure which has the following properties. The left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys lesser than the node's key, and the right subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys greater than the node's key. The left and right subtree each must also be a binary search tree. Search a particular element in the binary search tree with recursion. Now see. So I have to search a particular element from a binary search tree using recursion. See, this is our tree and corresponding linked list representation of this tree is this. Now I want to search say 5. Is 5 is there or not? From the figure we can say 5 is there but I have to search. So how we can search? See the code, function name is search. Here I am passing the address of the root node and the digit which I want to search. So address of the root node is 1000. So struct node star root means root can hold address of any node. Here I am passing 1000. So 1000 and the digit which we want to search, it is 5. So I want to search 5. So call the function search by passing 1000 and 5. Now, if root equals to null, is 1000 is null? No. So come to else part. Here, if digit equals to root arrow info, digit is 5, root arrow info means, see the figure, root is 1000, root arrow info means 7. Is 5 equals to 7? No. Come to else part. If digit less than root arrow info means what? Root arrow info means here it is 7. So is 5 less than 7? Yes, 5 less than 7. So call the function search by passing the address root arrow left and digit. Means see how recursion works. Again call search function by the value root arrow left by passing the address root arrow left and digit. Root arrow left means what? Root is what? 1000. Root arrow left means what? 2000. So I am passing the address 2000 and the digit means 5. So again call search function. Here it is 2000 and 5. I have to pass 2005. So come here. Root is now 2000. Digit is 5. Is root is null? No, it is 2000. Come to else part. If digit equals to root arrow info, digit is what? Digit is 5. Root arrow info means now the root is 2000. Root arrow info is 2. Is 5 is equals to 2? No. Come to else part. If digit less than root arrow info, digit is 5. Root arrow info is 2. Is 5 is less than 2? No. Then else, come to else. Call the function search by passing the address of the root arrow right and digit. Means what? Call the function search. Again call this function search. See how recursion works. Root arrow right. Root is what? 2000. 2000 arrow right means it is 6000. 6000 and digit. So call the function search by passing the address 6000 and digit means 5. So come here. Now the value of root is 6000, digit is 5. Is root is null? No, it is 6000. Come to else part. If digit equals to root arrow info, what is digit? Digit is 5. Root arrow info is what? Root is 6000. Root arrow info is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Yes. So printf found. So we get the result. So in this way you can search a particular element whether that element is present in a binary search tree or not. So see the code. Function name is search. Struct node star root means I am passing the address of the root node and the digit which I want to search. If root is equals to null, then we can say that element is not found. Otherwise, if digit equals to root arrow info, then printf found. Otherwise, if digit less than root arrow info, then call the function search by passing the address of the left child and the digit, and if it is greater than, if digit greater than root arrow info means else part, you have to call the function search by passing the address of the right child and digit. Now see the program for searching a particular element in the binary search tree using recursion. So this is our coding. This is the node structure we already discussed in our previous video. These are the functions. First function is insert function to create a tree, and second is search function to search a particular element from that binary search tree. This is main. Now, how to call insert function, what is the body for insert function, everything we already learned in our previous video. Please consult our previous video. The link is given in the description. So this is main function. From main we call insert function. We already learned how to call insert function in our previous video. Now see, here I take the element which I want to search and from the user, and that element is stored in the variable digit, and now call the function search by passing the root node address and the digit which I want to search. Now this is the body for insert function. We already learned this thing in our previous video. Please consult our previous video. So this is body for insert function and this is the body for search function. Now when I run the program, supply the number of elements, say 5. Supply the info part, say I am giving 5, then 4, then 6, then 1, then 7. Supply the element which I want to search, say I want to give 6. So the result is found. So element is present in that binary search tree. Now I am showing the total code. This is node structure, prototype declarations, main function, insert function, and search function. Now your task is you have to try to execute this program by your own. Complexity of the searching algorithm of binary search tree. Big O notation is used in computer science to describe the performance or complexity of an algorithm. Big O specially describes the worst case scenario and can be used to describe the execution time required. We will learn Big O notation in another chapter later in this series. Now, in case of binary search, we know that the number of nodes in a binary tree depends on the depth of the tree. Means in case of complete binary search tree, if we start from the root and if start marking, it is 2 to the power 0 number of nodes. In this level it is 2 to the power 1 number of nodes, and in this level it is 2 to the power 2 numbers of nodes are there. So I can say that n equals to 2 to the power d, where d is the level number. So d is log 2 base n. So the number of comparisons is bounded by the depth of the tree. Hence, the time complexity of this searching algorithm is order of log 2 base n. What is order? We will learn this order or big O notation in another chapter later in this series. So, this is your programming assignment. Write a program to search a particular element in the binary search tree using recursion. Execute this program, try to do this program, execute this program, and feel free to ask any question if you are facing any problem. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.